What do we know about mining? What are companies mining? And how much are new graduates earning in the mining industry? And how can we help them improve on productivity and save costs? In this new era, graduates are going into the mining industry and starting with 6-digit salaries.
We know that miners and the whole mining industry is important to our world because they give us the resources to build, manufacture, and produce all our goods and services. Without miners, we would run out of metals and ores at an exponential rate. Some miners travel to different locations for better lives and metals for the company they are working for. They do not have to bring their families, but if they want, they can. To be a miner, you need a high school diploma, and I would say myself that this is my opinion that they will need to have discipline, resilience, and strength. If they have these qualities, they will be great miners.
Miners mine everything valuable. So this means ores and metals such as iron or gold. Companies sell these ores for income so they can pay their workers, and they also need money for equipment because they use this equipment to mine faster and more efficiently. The equipment is expensive because they require a lot of power and they put under a lot of pressure, so they spend a lot more of money buying and repairing these machines.
There is a way to make things less expensive or take down expenses. Our way is to use the solar panels because they don't need much maintenance and they are eco-friendly. They could become an eco-friendly business and they could have more power because the solar panels are considerably cheap, meaning they could buy more and have stored power if solar panels ever stop working, meaning they could be operational at all times.
Solar panels are made of many different types of materials, such as silicon. Silicon is a non-metal with conductive properties, which is what gives it the ability to convert sunlight into electricity. Silicon makes up around 30% of the Earth's crust, so its abundance makes it a realistic and suitable source of material for producing energy, particularly for powering machines used for mining. Other main components for solar panels are its metal frame, its glass sheet, and its plexiglass.
Businesses aren't the only ones that use solar panels. Households across the globe install solar panels onto their roofs. Elon Musk has already started to make the actual roof into a solar panel. Solar panels can be used for lighting, hot water, and hot water. This is possible because people install water tanks where the water is heated and then filtered out to various places in the house. Most of the expenses come down because of the solar panels. The Australian government uses solar panels, particularly in the rural area, as means to provide these areas with a source of power. Tesla owns a solar city for powering thousands of cars and buildings across the world.
In theory, solar panels can effectively power the mining industry and save many expenses and save money for future investments. It could possibly help the miners and the environment, and in doing so, it's a win-win for the world, and if other mining industries join in with this, we could see a massive change in the economic progress. But what if they join in with the solar panel company? Mining and solar energy. This could conduct mining works at an increased rate. Using the sun's energy to power machinery in the mining industry could save extremely large costs on fuel and an increase in mining capability with an increased supply of energy at their disposal.